Welcome to your first hands-on workshop, Circular Packaging Redesign. Packaging might seem small, but it's everywhere. And it's one of the biggest sources of waste in our economy. That makes it the perfect place to begin your circular design journey. Let's walk through how to rethink packaging with circularity in mind. Step 1. Define the packaging's purpose. Before you redesign, ask, what is this packaging really for? Protecting a product? Carrying information? Enhancing shelf appeal? Delivering convenience? Be honest. Sometimes we use 3 layers when one would do. Clarify the core function and design for that, not for excess. Step 2. Analyze the current design. Take a look at your current packaging. What materials is it made from? How many parts does it include? Can users separate and recycle it easily? What happens to it after use? This is your packaging footprint. Use a quick audit tool or life cycle map to assess waste points, costs, and recovery potential. Step 3. Identify opportunities for circularity. Now the creative part begins. Can you eliminate packaging altogether? Switch to a monomaterial? Use recycled or renewable materials? Design for reuse or return? Make it refillable? Add a digital layer for traceability or recovery. Think in loops, not lines. Every decision you make should answer, how do we keep this packaging in use or out of the bin? Step 4. Choose a circular strategy. Let's look at 3 common approaches. 1. Recyclable by design. Use materials that are easy to recycle and avoid combinations that aren't. Label clearly, educate users. 2. Reuse systems. Shift from disposable to durable. Think refillable pouches, reusable jars, or container deposit programs. 3. Compostable or regenerative. For food or organics, consider certified compostable packaging made from bio-based materials. Pick one or blend them based on your context. Step 5. Prototype and test. Sketch your idea, build a mock-up, get feedback. Ask, can people understand how to reuse or recycle this? Is it easy to separate parts? Does it actually reduce impact? Test it with users, test it with operations, test it with recyclers, because circularity has to work in the real world. Step 6. Measure and improve. Track. Reduction in material use. Increase in recycling rate. Return or refill participation. Carbon savings or cost changes. Use this data to refine and scale your design. Real-world examples. Loop by TerraCycle lets brands use reusable metal and glass packaging collected and cleaned after use. Algramo offers refillable smart dispensers for everything from detergent to dog food. Lush Cosmetics gives customers discounts for returning empty containers. Just Water uses plant-based cartons with minimal plastic and carbon footprint. You don't need a factory to start. Just a product, a problem, and a willingness to rethink. This is circular packaging design. This is how small changes lead to system shifts.